VIT-AP, as a part of VIT Group of Institutions, inherits 37 years of legacy in innovation and research in educational sector, is one of the most preferred destinations of education for students across the country, consistently ranked among the top educational institutes in the country. The VIT Group of Institutes have had a proud tradition of pursuing knowledge and excellence. A university that offers the best undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs in technology, science, arts, law, management and many more. A place where students' development of mind, body, heart and spirit is encouraged through learning, engaging, experimenting and leading. We welcome you to the VIT-AP.